Good morning, everyone. Today we will finish Unit 4, which is Canal Design and Canal Headworks. Dams. A dam, as you can see below, it is a barrier that impounds water on underground streams. Reservoirs created by dams not only suppress floods but also provide water for such activities as irrigation, human consumption, industrial use, aquaculture, and navigability. Hydropower is often used in conjunction with dams to generate electricity. Catchment: the collection of rainwater over a natural drainage area during rainfall. Reservoir: a reservoir usually means an enlarged natural or artificial lake, storage pond, or impoundment created using a dam or lock to store water. The reasons for dam construction are flood control, agricultural purposes, hydroelectricity, and water reservation. Dam site requirement criteria are area having gentle slope rather than steep slope, area receiving adequate rainfall, area away from settlement and agricultural fields, permeability of soil or type of soil, water table, effects on forest and wildlife, earthquake faults, stream flow, watershed. Weirs. A weir shown below is a structure constructed across a river to raise its water level and divert the ether into the canal. On the crest of the weirs, usually shutters are provided so that part of the raising up of water is carried out by shutters. During floods, the shutters may be dropped down to allow water to flow over the crest of the weir. A weir is usually aligned at the right angles to the direction of flow of the river. Weirs may be classified according to the material of construction and certain design features into the following three types: masonry weirs with vertical drop or vertical drop weirs, rock fill weirs with sloping aprons, concrete weirs with downstream glacis. Types of weir depending upon floor design criteria. Gravity weir. Uplift pressure is resisted entirely by weight of wall. Non-gravity weir. Uplift pressure is resisted by bending action of reinforced concrete floor. Types of weir depending upon materials used. Masonry weir with vertical drop. This type of weir consists of a masonry wall with either both upstream and downstream faces vertical or both faces inclined or only upstream face inclined. Rock fill weir with sloping apron. This type of weir consists of a masonry wall and dry packed boulder laid in the form of slope, with weir wall at middle and few intervening core walls. The downstream slope is generally made very flat. It requires very large quantity of stone and would be economical only where stone is available in abundance in close proximity. Concrete weir with downstream glacis. In this figure, in this type of weir, sheet piles of sufficient depth are provided at upstream and downstream ends of the floor as shown in figure. Intermediate piles are also provided in some cases. Its design is based on modern concept of subsoil flow, that is Kosla's theory. This type of weir is constructed on Bovier's foundation. Barrage. In the case of a barrage, the crest is kept at a low level and the raising up of water level is accomplished mainly by means of gates. During floods, these gates can be raised clear of the high flood level and thus enable the high flood to pass with minimum of efflux. A barrage provides better control on the water level in the river, but it is comparatively costlier. Head regulator. A canal head regulator is provided at the head of each main canal of taking from diversion headward. It should be so aligned that its axis make an angle to 90 degrees to 120 degrees with the axis of wire as shown in this figure. Functions of canal head regulator. It regulates the supply of water into canal, controls entry of silt into canal, prevents the river flood from entering the canal. It can be used to stop the canal supply when the silt in the river water exceeds a certain limit. Silt excluder. Silt excluder is a structure constructed in the bed of river upstream of head regulator to attack the riverbed water and divert the same into the downstream of the river. They are also called silt extractors and are provided to extract silt from canal water after the silted water has traveled a certain distance in the off-taking canals. These works are therefore constructed on the bed of the canal and a little distance downstream from the head regulator. They consist of curved tunnels located across the canal which starts along the axis of the canal and turn towards the bank into the escape channel. That was all for today. Thank you.